Dan and Zach here. We're out here stranded in nature, and the first thing you need to survive is a shelter. Come on, let's go. Without a doubt, nature's one of the neatest things, but you also have to be careful. That's why I try to pass guns, but I don't really have a gun right now, so I have a phone. Phones are really useful when you're in danger, but we're not using it right now, so how neat is that?
That's pretty neat.
Yeah. So today I found a shelter. It's so great. You can tell it's a shelter because of the way it is. So it's pretty neat.
How neat is that?
Yeah. What a beauty. Well, in order, you always have to be safe. You have to watch out for.
It's a bad thing. It's a bad. It's a bad thing. Bad thing. Bad thing. Bad. Bad thing. Bad. Whew! It's a bear scare. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Why'd you ditch me, you frickin' retard? Why'd you ditch me, you prick? Yeah. We're here in nature, and it's pretty neat. But if you don't want to be cold, you better cover your feet. We be going in the game, yo. This how we roll, 'cause I be rapping on the 6 beat in the first day of the Holocaust. So we have no idea where we are, and we want to get to the nearest road. So we need some transportation. So if you want to find it, we just kind of have to. We probably have to make one out of wood and everything. But hey, I found a bike.
Wow.
Look at this, right there.
How do you work one of those things?
I think like this. Makes it go faster. Okay.
Kinda. It's kinda neat. Survival gangster crew. Oh yeah.
Yeah, we run fast, we ride on bikes, we climb in trees. Oh, it's a bear, yikes.
Yeah.
Ah!
Word to my mother.
We found a nice shelter with some nice cars, some nice quad. But best of all, is we found food. Also, while we were on our hunt, we used our medieval siege weapons. Can't open it.
We could just go inside and get some milk or something.
Okay. I don't know how to open the fridge. Forgot it.
Okay, just keep going.
I forgot. Wait, no, just start.